Hi everybody, I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you've been thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. Today I'm located ocean views like you cannot believe, really just a stone's throw away from Los Muertos Beach. I am in Amapas in a development called Brisas Del Mar. This is an older style development, so if you're looking for those renovated condos that have incredible ocean views, walking distance to all of the fun things that you've been looking for, but have been modernized and updated and renovated, this just might be the condo for you. Let's get into the details of Amapas. Okay, so Amapas is located literally right on the border of where Emiliana Zapata, which is the romantic zone, and Amapas. So they're kind of like border side by side with each other. The really cool thing about Brisas Del Mar is that you have two entrances to get here. So you can come right off the 200, which if you're coming like through Old Town, right as you're gonna go down along the South Shore, that is the 200. You've got a top entrance from the 200, and you have another entrance right off of the beach, kind of just about like a couple blocks back behind the beach, behind the one Beach Street, if you know where that is. So you're only a couple of blocks from the beach if you are coming down from the bottom, which is one of the standout things about Brisas Del Mar. If you wanted to go to the ocean, you're really just taking a few flights of stairs down and you are toes in sand within just probably like less than 5 minutes. This is an incredible location. Another one of the things that I really like about Brisas Del Mar is it is a quiet, smaller community. You only have 24 condos here, and you have really great amenities. There is a big pool here. There's an outdoor kitchen. You have the ability to just come right out of your door, and you're surrounded by lots of different restaurants, lots of different bars. Obviously, you're only a block and a half until you get to the beach, so that you've got all of the beach bars. If you know where the Sapphire Beach Club is, we're like literally kind of just behind the Sapphire Beach Club. They have really delicious food there, really great prices. If you're looking for a beach club that you just kind of wanted to go down to, there's a pool, you have chairs for lounging, the food is delicious there, the cocktails are delicious. This is all right outside of your door here. Okay, now that I've told you a little bit about the area, let's get into this details of this condo. So you have 2 bedrooms here, 2 full baths, just about 1,100 square feet, and everything that you're going to see in this condo comes included in the price as well, with the exception of some artwork and some of the personal items. Hang out to the very end of this video if you would like to see some still shots. We'll get into a wrap-up of everything that I'm explaining with you guys right now. If you want to do a showing, we can schedule a personal showing or a virtual showing. If you're not going to be here, look in the description down below. There you're going to find my contact phone number. WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply. I get so many emails every single day, but if you do want to email me, go ahead and I'll throw my email down here as well. I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on with our real estate market here, make sure you click like to this video and subscribe to my channel. That's kind of everything for now. Let's go get into this condo, guys. Let's go. As you enter in, you have a secure lobby here. You have an admin on site. There is a library, and then all of this is the common area. So I was here this morning, I had a showing here this morning, and the guy was just finishing wrapping up. He was doing a massage. So how lovely, because this space is pretty empty. You can see beautiful ocean views, and we'll get into it more in just a sec. But how lovely to wake up in the morning, to come out here. You've got this whole covered section with an outdoor kitchen, and then this is where the guy was set up doing the massage. So beautiful, so lovely. And all of this is a common area for Brisas Del Mar. So you can see there's a lot of space for people to really spread out here. This is the rooftop pool. You have a whole lounge area here. And then I just kind of want to walk over and give you guys a look at what everything looks like from the back, so you can kind of take a look at the building. And then the actual condo that we're going to go to is down below. Brisas Del Mar is pretty big. So you've got like this little walkway here that you go down. So underneath all of this, this is kind of where the condo is. Look at the ocean views, and don't forget we're in a fisheye lens, so things appear a lot farther away than they really are. You guys have to get here to see this place in person. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, so now that you've had a chance to see the common area, let's go get into a recap, and then stay tuned to the very end if you would like to see some still shots. Okay guys, let's go. Welcome to number 505. You guys know I always like to give you a good little view of everything that you're going to see before you enter in. So you're going to come down the stairs if you came from the 200, or up the stairs if you came from the beach side. This is the condo. Just kind of move all around, show you guys everything that you have to see before you get in. I always like when they do these metal gates, you have the ability to leave your door, the inside door open, and then you still have the security from the metal gate. And when you have ocean breezes that are constantly rolling in, it's always nice to keep your doors and your windows open so that way you can let these ocean breezes come in. I just want to take you out there right now, but before we go, I want to show you what everything looks like as you're entering inside. So like I said before, you have just under 1,100 square feet here. The kitchen was remodeled, the bathrooms were remodeled, the laundry was remodeled as well. So I wanted to just give you an overview of everything that you're going to see, and then we'll start getting into all of the details. So this is everything as you're walking in. Since we're kind of already here and the kitchen is always the focal point in the heart of the home, let's get into this kitchen so that you guys can see all the details here. So you can see the center island here seats 6 people. It's also a really great prep space. You have a dishwasher here, nice size sink. You have a 4-top gas burning stove here with the griddle. There's also a really large size refrigerator. So you kind of have everything that you would need here in the kitchen. You guys know I always like to move around to give you guys just different views of what everything looks like. Right off of the kitchen, you have this sliding door here. This is one of 2 full bathrooms here. I always like when they do the glass stall shower. You have the rainfall head there. Just give you a little look here of what all of the finishes look like. And then you also have the closet here with a sliding door. But this is a new washer and dryer, very Vallarta style, stackable washer and dryer. So this is right off of the primary living space. So this is the bathroom that you or your guests would use. Coming into the living room now, you have a really great size living room here. Just gonna kind of move all around, give you guys different views of what everything looks like here. So you can see, you can comfortably see lots of people. So if you like to entertain, this is a really nice space for you to do that. And then everything opens up to this beautiful outdoor patio. Now in this closet here, you have the condensers for the air conditioning, and then you have a little bit of storage there. You can see that the terrace is very expansive, and you even have a covered terrace. And remember, it's like the old school Mexican. I love when they do those terracotta style tiles with the wood beams. It's just really beautiful. And you have some stained glass here as well. If you can take a look at that. These are just the little details that you don't find this kind of stuff in the newer style buildings. This is a little, it's kind of dark. This is a little sink for your mop, for your housekeeper. Housekeepers here are so inexpensive. You're literally gonna be looking at spending about 500 or 600 pesos for someone to come in and clean. That's $25, $30 a month, guys. This is why we live here. Okay, so again, just moving all around, show you guys what everything looks like. And here we are now. Welcome to the views. Don't forget, I'm in a fisheye lens, so things do appear a lot farther away in the video than they are going to look in real life. You can sit up here from where we are and take a look at the whales jumping. I mean, just right behind this is One Beach Street. This is all a development. It used to be a hotel, and now they're starting to do fractional ownership, which means that every person in this building would have to sell in order for something to come up here. So unless you're oceanfront, we cannot say that your views are forever protected, but the likelihood of anything happening here anytime soon is very small. So look at your ocean views. You have to come here and see this place in person to really appreciate it. It looks great in the video, but man, when you're here, it's totally different. Okay, so let's get back into the condo now. You guys have seen the patio, you've seen the living room, you've seen the kitchen, the front bathroom. Let's go and get into the bedrooms now. The bedrooms are conveniently located in the rear, so it's nice and quiet. This is bedroom number 1, and they're pretty much very similar. You have a queen size bed in here, just to give you a feel for the space. Again, I want to move all around. You have the built-ins for the closets. And then just right across the hall, you have bedroom number 2. Now bedroom number 2 has a king size bed in here. Again, just want to give you a feel for the space. This is the primary bedroom because as you can see, you have an ensuite bath here as well. All right, another glass stall shower, like when they have the rainfall shower head in here. They've done a really great job with the remodel. I think it looks really nice. They did a really nice job with everything here. So this condo, as you can see, is ready to go. Now that you guys have had a chance to see the condo, I want to walk back out and give you guys one more view of this beautiful, beautiful patio, because I really think whoever purchases this condo, this is really going to be where you spend the bulk of your time out here. I don't think I would ever have those doors closed, maybe when it's the summertime, but even then I'm such a creature of habit. I love the indoor outdoor living. Okay, so now that you have had a chance to see the condo and these amazing, beautiful ocean views, let me zoom. Let's go and get into the amenities, and then stay tuned to the very end and we will get into a recap and do the still shots. Okay, let's go. Now that you guys have had a chance to see this beautiful condo, let's get into those details one more time. You have 2 bedrooms here with 2 full baths, just about 1,100 square feet. Like I said, this place does come furnished. It is totally turnkey, nothing left for you to do. Remember, they did the kitchen remodel, they did bathroom remodels here. Bring your bathing suit, throw your stuff down, and go head out to the beach. Enjoy the Puerto Vallarta lifestyle. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information out about this condo and how you can get in contact with me. Remember, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply, and I will throw my email up here just in case you wanted to do email as well. And like I said before, I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. So if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on with our real estate market, click subscribe to this channel right now. Hang out to the very end of this video if you would like to see some still shots. That is everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.